Good morning. This is Seth Nagel with the National Weather Service here in San Angelo, Texas. And this is the morning weather briefing for Tuesday, March 29th, 2022. The main concern for the forecast today will be the chance for severe thunderstorms later this evening and into the overnight hours tonight. We're looking at thunderstorms developing by mid-evening or so, sometime between 7 and 8 p.m., possibly that early, and then continuing through the late evening hours as the storms move to the east across west central Texas. The area outlined in yellow here is the area most likely to see potentially severe weather with these thunderstorms tonight. And what we're looking for is the main concerns will be large hail and damaging winds with these thunderstorms, although an isolated tornado or two, short-lived tornado or two can't be ruled out at this point, but more than likely, if you do see severe weather, it'll be in the form of hail and gusty winds. These storms are expected to move east and out of the area by late tonight, likely after midnight, so we could see showers and thunderstorms across at least some part of the area for several hours during the evening tonight. The other concern for today is that we'll see near critical to critical fire weather conditions for the entire area today. The western areas are looking at potentially critical fire weather conditions with winds increasing to 15 to 25 miles an hour out of the south, gusts up to 35 miles an hour, and relative humidities potentially dropping into the 10 to 20% range along our western tier of counties there. For the rest of the area, we're looking at those same gusty south winds, but relative humidities are expected to remain greater than 20% and likely in the 25 to 35% range. As always, with any fire weather conditions like this, we want to encourage everyone to not take part in any activities that could start a fire outside. For the rest of the forecast through this weekend, we're looking at cooler conditions Wednesday and Thursday after a cold front moves through late tonight into Wednesday morning. Highs will be in the upper 60s to mid 70s for most locations on Wednesday, and then mainly in the 70s on Thursday. We'll see gusty northwest winds Wednesday behind that cold front, and elevated to near critical fire weather conditions as well. Friday into the weekend, we're looking at continued dry weather for the most part, and temperatures warming back up into the 80s in most locations. That is the morning weather briefing for this Tuesday morning. Please check back tomorrow morning for an updated briefing. Thanks.